Before we start with the 5-point massage, let's start with the lymphatic massage to clear out this area. It is important to do this before we start so that the fluid in the upper area has somewhere to go. Your lymphatic system sits right underneath the skin, so you do not need to press very deeply. Pinch the side of your neck here. This helps with muscular tension, stiffness, and pain in the neck, shoulders, and upper back area. Do not use any cream or oil for this movement. Rub your face only as you go up and around the ears. This is a great way to promote collagen on your face, also preventing age spots. The next few movements are the 5-point massages. I'm going to start with massaging the corner of the mouth, then lift upward motions toward the ears. Do this several times. You want your fingers to glide nicely, so make sure you put on your favorite cream or moisturizer before doing this. Now, massage the corner of your nostrils. Rub it in gently and glide outwards. This works really well for getting rid of laugh lines and also relieving allergy symptoms. This is great for removing dark circles around the eyes and removing eye bags. I'm using my ring fingers because I want gentle pressure since the eye area is more sensitive than other parts in the face. Glide them gently outward. Do not pull, just glide. Then massage the temple a few times. This brow massage feels so amazing. Again, massage a few circles, then glide outwards very gently. This movement is great for not only removing the 11 lines, but also removing the wrinkles on your forehead. Now the hairline and the forehead for the forehead wrinkles. Try your best to relax here. This movement not only lifts the face, but relieves the tension you accumulated throughout the day. Lift up the jawline and strengthen the elasticity of your skin by doing this. Do this fast, okay? Wrap your hands over the jawline and lift them up towards the ears. Move your skin from the forehead bone using your fingers. This is one of the excellent ways to remove your wrinkles and lift up your face. Slapping the face will dilate your blood vessels. It will help increase the blood flow to the area, which can help remove those free radicals and toxins, helping the body to build collagen and improve skin quality. Perform this lymphatic massage to release any drainage that accumulated from today's workout. Make sure to drink a lot of water and get hydrated after the session. Thank you so much once again for staying with me until the end. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!